Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included this is the multimedia package, which is going to give you smartphone integration, which gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, navigation, a push start ignition, backup cam, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 23,647 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.